Located in one of Ireland's most iconic areas, Griffith Avenue House is the result of a renovation and extension of a 1950s home designed by Courtney McDonnell Architects. This project involved a complete upgrade and reconfiguration of spaces to meet the needs of the new residents who had recently relocated from the United States. With an area of 225 square meters, the house now blends classic charm with a functional and aesthetically pleasing contemporary design. One of the key aspects of this project was restoring the original form of the house while incorporating a modern extension. The front living rooms facing Griffith Avenue were preserved and repurposed as a comfortable guest suite for visiting family. Additionally, a side extension was designed to connect the old and new structures. This extension introduces unique architectural elements, including a new front entrance facing Griffith Avenue, different from its original location on the gable. Inside, a large skylight and exposed timber beams create shifting patterns of light and shadow throughout the day. This area also cleverly conceals access to the original rooms, such as a coat closet, guest suite, utility room, and guest WC, through the use of hidden paneled doors. The highlight of this renovation is a two-story brick extension facing the rear garden. The ground floor serves as an open-plan living space, seamlessly integrating the kitchen and dining areas, creating a spacious and bright atmosphere. Meanwhile, the upper floor is dedicated to the master suite, offering maximum privacy for the primary residence. A courtyard on the ground floor further enhances natural lighting and ventilation, ensuring that the interior remains cool and comfortable throughout the day. The design successfully balances old and new elements, preserving the original character of the home while making it more aligned with modern living. Courtney McDonnell. Architects have crafted a renovation scheme that not only enhances aesthetics, but also fulfills the functional needs of its occupants. With meticulous attention to detail and high-quality materials, Griffith Avenue House stands as a perfect example of how a classic home can be transformed into a dynamic and inspiring living space. This project demonstrates how architecture can adapt and update old buildings without stripping them of their historical essence. The house is now an ideal place for gathering, working, and enjoying modern life in a warm and inviting setting. As a project that prioritizes the balance between beauty and functionality, Griffith Avenue House proves that renovating an old home can not only bring greater comfort, but also create a space that remains relevant to contemporary needs without losing its identity. Don't forget to follow Bloke7 for more inspiring home design ideas.